Given the equation y equals a negative 1/2 x plus 6, let's have these two parts here. A, identify the slope, and B, describe what the slope tells you about the graph. Well, this equation is in the form of y equals mx plus b, and m is our slope. So the value right in front of x is a negative 1/2. Pretty quick and easy. We have the slope. We identified it, negative 1/2. But what does this tell us, all right, about our graph? The negative tells us that we are decreasing. So our graph is decreasing. So from left to right, it is going down. Now, the values here tell us about that. For every, we go down 1 unit, right? Negative 1, so we're going down 1 unit for our slope. And then to the right, 2 units. Okay? That's usually how we talk about it reading left to right. We think left to right. We're going down 1 unit, to the right 2 units. Now, we could flip this around and essentially would be the same thing if we think about this. If the minus sign was on the 2, right? Still be the same. Negative 1 over 2 is the same as 1 over negative 2. We would go up 1 unit. And then the left here tells us we're going negative is the left, so we go left, right, 2 units. Now, this one's a little more odd to talk about, right? We usually don't write it that way, but it is really the same thing. If we go up 1 unit to the left 2 units, it's the same as going down. If we think about it, here's our point. We go up 1 to the left 2 units, new point here, same as going down 1 to the right 2 units. We'd have the same slope, okay? So we answered parts A and B. We found a slope of negative 1/2 here, and we determined that our slope tells us that this is decreasing and it's going down 1 unit to the right 2 units.